The president has now put you on test after a long period of midwifing. Please don't disappoint him. Acquit yourselves well, lead well, and even better. Build on the achievements this far and scale the heights to improve the force. To do this, I'll give you a few tips. You may take it or leave them. You need grit. Grit as in G-R-I-T. You need determination. Study legs and resolve. You need a sense of purpose. 2, you need to ensure force discipline through an elaborate regime of sanctions and reward. The minister has always said, you can't have people who bear arms be administered using the public service standing orders. They are good, yes, but they are insufficient. People must fear to make deliberate, consistent mistakes. That becomes impunity. So if somebody makes a mistake, consequences must be expensive. That is how discipline is ensured in the UPDF, and I think you may have to borrow a leaf. So you need to review the code of service discipline alongside, hopefully, a comprehensive review of the force, which I think is due. Also, you need to emphasize elaborate foundational training. Foundational training is key. If you are not trained well enough at your basic level, then like they say, you become stunted. Of course, in addition to continuous career development training at intermediate level and senior levels within your ranks. This will help in ensuring discipline and professionalism, to ensure that you have a quality force with the necessary skill sets to do the job effectively. So numbers are not enough. You can have the numbers, but without discipline, you'll be a mob. In addition, you need to ensure conscious discipline. I'm glad they have made a new PC in the names of Amnova. I hope you are as tall as this task. You need to build a force culture and ethos. What are you for in the larger scheme of things? And I saw the IGP is on the same script. You need to know, every member of the force needs to know what they are for.